Here's my Sunday update, guys, of a full-time working mom who wants to become a full-time content creator this 2025. So my purpose of posting daily is to make sure na consistent ako, guys. And it has to be a daily update. Meaning, ano ba yung mga ginagawa ko every morning, afternoon, and the evening, making sure that on a daily basis, I'm doing something to achieve that goal. Yes, it's gonna be madugo ang labanan because it's gonna be a daily update, daily posting. But hey, that's what is something you have to do to become a full-time content creator. Meaning, you have to fall in love with the process. You have to fall in love in consistently filming, editing, all of that. So for today, this is Sunday and here's my daily update. For Sunday update, guys, yung morning ko, I wake up around 4 a.m. kasi Saturday, Sunday, yung wala akong work. So when I wake up, pina-priority ko yung pag-post ko at pag-edit ko ng video ko sa aking financial YouTube video. And it took me almost 2 hours to do that. Imagine for 9 minutes na video, 2 hours ko siyang ginawa. That includes editing, creating the thumbnail, creating the content description, the YouTube title, the taggings. So yun. Tapos yung pag-edit ko is gamit sa CapCut and medyo meron ding mga bugs sa CapCut that delaying my posting or editing process. So after that, scroll konti ng social media, and then we went actually to church. Actually, before nag-church, naglaba ako ng sapatos for my kids. It's an achievement kasi sa short time lang, nagkaroon ako ng maliit na achievement at nakapaglaba ako ng sapatos. Then, after ng church, naligo ako, dumating yung family ng husband ko, chika-chika ng kote. Then I went out to buy yung mga projects na pinapapili ng aking eldest for tomorrow's submission. Then grocery, which I will be sharing to you guys, ano ba yung na-grocery ko. Then uwi, kasi hinatid ko pabalik yung mga na-grocery ko. And then pumunta kami sa mall, naggala kami ng kids. And then continue din ako. Kinuha ko yung contact lens ko, yung eyeglass ng anak ko. So medyo marami akong na-achieve as a mom for today's video. So yun ang update for my Sunday. See you on Monday, guys.